In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set or change your sender email for your Shopify store. So the sender email is basically the one that your store will use to send emails to your customers. For example, on a marketing campaign or anything related to send emails to your customers. So we are gonna see how to change it in just a few seconds. But before starting, I want to tell you that if you don't have a Shopify store yet, or you want to create another one, or you just want to try Shopify, I'm gonna leave you a link with a special offer in the description below that will offer you 3 days of Shopify for free. And after that, you can enjoy any Shopify subscription just for $1 for the first month. So now let's see how to change the sender email. You just need to go to your settings right here at the bottom left and then scroll down to notifications. Right here you can see the sender email is the one that your store uses to send emails to your customers. So right here you can put any email you have. You can put your business email and then you will need to save the changes. You need to confirm you have access to this email. So you just click on send verification and you will get a link to your mail. You just need to click it and this will change to verified. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.